Hello, today we'll be discussing the website Tagxedo. I will be going over its basic features as well as ideas for the classroom. Tagxedo is used to create word clouds. To get started, from the Tagxedo homepage, all you need to do is click on Create. No login or account is necessary. When I'm on the Create page, they will give you a sample Tagxedo, but you want to go ahead and get your own words for your word cloud. So choose Load. From the Load box, you can either add a file, you can put words from a web page, or you can enter your own text. I usually have students enter their own text. That way they type it in a Word document, they can add to that, they can save it, and then they just copy and paste it into the Load menu. One thing to remember, if you want a phrase to stay together in your Tagxedo, you cannot put a space. So for example, I want the Nile River to appear. There's no space in the Nile River then. And then you click Submit. When I would use Tagxedo is, for example, this is for an assignment in our Ancient Civilization unit in World History. Students learn about 4 major ancient civilizations. I may have them create a Tagxedo before we even start of what they think they know and words they think they know that are associated with ancient civilizations. And then we're done with the unit, which is what we have here. They then make a new list of what they've learned and put it into Tagxedo where they can then compare them. Once my words are put in, there's a lot of different ways that I can change and format my Tagxedo. I can change the theme, which allows me to change the colors that are used. I can also change the font, as well as if it is horizontal or vertical. A really neat option is I can change the shape. So for example, I could put this in the shape of an apple or a school bus. They also have the classic cloud shape, which I'm going to choose for this assignment. Once I have finished my Tagxedo, it is extremely easy to share. All I have to do is I could click to share it through Twitter, through Facebook, or I can go back up to the top of my menu here and choose Save Share. This is where I can easily save my image, and I can pick how large I want it, the file type. I can save it places on the web. I can print it directly from Tagxedo. So it's extremely easy to be able to share your Tagxedo with others in the classroom as well as with the teacher. It's also easy to view your Tagxedo right from the site. I can choose full screen, and there's my Tagxedo. Another way that I can use this in the classroom is, for example, we finished these Tagxedos. I can have a student have to come up to the board, pick one of them. So let's say they choose the word Tigris River. Then they have to tell me which of the 4 ancient civilizations that we've studied has the Tigris River. You could also give that maybe you give the term Mesopotamia. The students have to create a word cloud that has words that all relate to Mesopotamia, but not Mesopotamia itself. That way then students have to look at the word cloud and guess which vocabulary word those all the words relate to. So there is a brief overview of Tagxedo, its basic features, as well as ideas of how you can use it in your classroom.